All right, man. Testing this thing on. Shit. Well, hey, boys, welcome. This is the new setup. Yeah, I mean, I haven't posted a video for like 2 weeks now. Last one was an educational video. I really want to do, like talks like this where I'm talking to you face to face and I'm giving you guys psychological advice and tips to genuinely make you a better day trader. I truly mean this, guys. A lot of you are trying to trade prop firms. A lot of you guys are trying to make money on your personal account, and trading is genuinely a game about risk management and discipline. That's the whole point of this video. We're going to talk about taking 2 trades a day and the idea of risk management and how that is the literal secret code to being able to make money in these markets. And I'm going to explain to you, why. So I can tell you guys this. Like when I was a beginner day trader, right, all I would do is I would look for the next best strategy. I'd look for the number one way to make money fast and, make $1 million in a day, right? And, for all you guys who have skin in the game, you guys know that that's just not the case, right? Day trading is genuinely not about that. It's about consistency. It's about looking for those high probability setups, waiting for the market to show its hand, and then you executing on those high probability setups based on what the market is showing you. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because a lot of you guys out there, you think just like this. And yeah, welcome to everybody new to my channel. I totally forgot to say that. My name is Arbaz, also known as A Advanced Effects. I'm a verified prop firm trader who has made over $300,000 in these markets through day trading, and I'm here to literally help you become profitable. If you like my content, genuinely I'd appreciate a sub. Hit that like button as well. I guarantee you my videography and my channel will 100% help you on your day trading journey if you just kind of go through my history. But regardless, let's just get into the point of this video. So, guys, if you can just take 2 trades per day, I know Raja Banks, he's another famous influencer in the space, he says this, but if you can genuinely take 2 trades a day, I guarantee you will have so much more longevity in these markets, especially if you're trading prop firms. And the secret to making money with prop firms, I know a lot of you guys are trading with prop firms, is discretionary trading. I'm always on, making a system, making a mechanical-based trading system, and then, obviously executing on that system. But the reality about trading systems is that no matter how good a trading system is, it will have drawdown periods. And if that drawdown period exceeds your prop firm daily loss limit, or just the loss limit of the prop firm account, which is usually going to be 3%, 2%, whatever, you're just going to lose your account. And the only way to mitigate that is genuinely maximizing your win rate and making sure your equity curve does not have that drawdown streak, which is inevitable with a mechanical based trading system. You guys know my main system, or the main way I trade my mechanical system, it's a low win rate, but it's a pretty high risk to reward. But that's just not good for prop firms. What's good for prop firms is scalping and having a discretionary style of trading that works on market structure and probabilities and certain key levels, which then you can execute from and go for that 1-to-1, 1-to-2, even 1-to-3 if the market shows that. And then genuinely, guys, it is 1-to-2 trades a day. I've been so burned, guys, on trying to, catch a falling knife, right? So many times, bro, the market's just going to dump, and I'm just here trying to click buy. I'm trying to dollar cost average. I'm trying to look for more levels and just improper rationalization of why, the trade is good. And in reality, it's not good because volume's coming in hard. And this is another big tip. Trying to fight the volume is like trying to fight a waterfall, okay? You know for a fact you can't flow upwards of fight a current, or trying to fight a waterfall. You can't flow upwards of a river. You can't fight a current. That is exactly what trying to catch a falling knife and trying to dollar cost average is doing. Now, obviously, if you have certain key levels in line with that market structure, you can absolutely execute on that market structure. But I'm trying to tell you guys that my biggest tip is do not try to take a trade when you see opposing volume rapidly reach your level. You also want to focus on having longevity and having 2 trades per day on your account if you want to make money day trading. And it's genuinely that simple, guys. The reason you guys don't have that patience is because you want to get rich quick fast, and you're making these beginner mistakes that can easily be avoided if you had someone like me telling you this stuff. And that's exactly why my channel is here, and that's exactly why I have my brand and my expertise to guide you and help you, right? And it's really that. I have nothing else to say, but guys, I truly am saying this to wake you up. Please stop making these very easily avoidable mistakes if you truly want to make money, become rich, make 10, 20, 30K a month through day trading. And another big thing is, trying to pass your account fast in terms of risk, in terms of the actual risk profile, right? So for example, if you're trading on a futures prop firm like Top Step, My Funded Futures, or, even like a CFD firm, right? Let's talk about futures mainly first. It's, you have 3% of drawdown, right? You have 3% of drawdown. And, if you risk 1% per trade, well, think about it this way, guys. It's very easy to lose 3% of your account or 3 trades in a row in respect to the grand scheme of day trading, right? Hedge funds, quants, mechanical-based systems. It's very easy once you actually know the data behind trading to lose that amount of money or to lose those number of trades in a row, right? So how can you have more longevity? It is genuinely about de-risking, right? I always tell my students this, guys, but it's about risking 0.25% of your account or even less when you get your funded accounts, because the goal is to let the capital do the heavy lifting, right? 0.25%, 0.25% might not be a lot on one account, but through 5 accounts, that's a lot of money now. Right? Let's say I can see on a 150K account, 0.5%, let's say, is $750, right? It might not look like a lot of money making $750. Like you're like, oh shit, like that's not a lot of money, right? In the grand scheme of things. But imagine you had 5 accounts to copy trade on. That 750 now is 3.7K across 5 accounts if you took that same trade. So the goal is to increase your capital and continue de-risking so you have more longevity in your accounts. Because I guarantee you, if you take 2 trades a day, you risk 0.25% of your account, you will 100%, and you are patient for 1 month, you will, and you're profitable. A couple of things, three more things, right? And you're following, the actual way to trade, from key levels. You're not chasing trades, etc. You're following what I just told you. I guarantee you can make 5 figures a month from these markets. All right. Albert Einstein, he says this quote multiple times, right? The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again, but expecting a different outcome, right? The goal is, guys, is if you're making these same beginner mistakes every single time and you are not continually learning and adapting from your mistakes, right? I'm obviously, my channel, my brand is here to, fast track that and tell you exactly the lessons that I learned in my journey in one singular place right to your face so you don't have to go through that adaptation period. But personally, right, I could tell you this all I want. I could come here all day and I could tell you, hey, stop over trading, stop risking more, stop, making stupid mistakes. It doesn't matter if you are not willing to change within yourself, drop your ego, and adhere to what the market is telling you, okay? The reason people are not profitable as well is because they think too highly of themselves. They think they're better than the market. They think they can beat the market, and that is not the case. You cannot beat the market, guys. The market is always right. You are wrong. Drop your ego and learn to go in line with what new data and new market movement is showing you. And that all comes from lowering your ego, having that ego death, right? But I genuinely mean this. If you can do all these things, just from a psychological perspective, 1 or 2 trades a day, right, risking low, and you are consistent, just 1 month, you can change your life, guys. And that's really it. If you liked, this video, if you like my content, genuinely shoot me a follow, shoot me a sub. I would 100% appreciate that. Even shoot me a follow on Instagram. I do have a one-on-one mentorship program. If, a lot of you guys on here who want to learn, you can apply for it. It is pretty pricey, I will tell you that, but it will get you results. And I also have a free Discord. Join the free Discord, chop it up with me and my team. I guarantee you will learn something from there as well. All the links are in my bio. And I hope this motivates you guys. I hope you guys are having a great start to 2025. And listen, let's make some money. There's no reason, if you don't listen to what I just told you in this video, you can't make money. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace out.